Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we will be making a Valentine's card, and we will need this template. Then we will need paper of your choice. It's just half a sheet. And then scissors just to cut the border of the template. Some glue stick, cutting knife, and then to fold your card if you'd like. Okay, let's get started. This heart is optional. You can put it on your card if you like, but right there. It's going to be a small card, about a size 4'6" or 5'7". About a 4'6" when it's folded. So it'll be folded inside. And it should look something like this. And it'll only use half of a whole paper sheet. So, whole paper sheet cut in half. So, let's continue. We will only cut on the solid lines and fold on the dotted lines. Gotta be a little careful right here. Since I did the first one, I kind of already know the troubles I had. There we go. It's a pretty easy and a fast card. In my opinion, it shouldn't take more than 20 minutes. I think the cutting is what takes more. This one right here on my first card, I cut it out, but I think I will just put a sticker over it, just like I did right here. You might be able to tell. I cut it and then I put a sticker. That's optional. That's up to you. And then let's get folding. So let's fold. I think it was kind of easier to me if I folded these first. This is how it should look when it's folded. And then we just glue. Just about like that. And then, here's my red paper. I chose red for this one. Right there. You could also cut the red color off a little bit, but I think this one just looks pretty nice like that, just the way I showed it on the pink one as well. This little extra layered color on the sides. It's all up to your liking. So let's get going. A little piece I had troubles with at the end on the first card. Didn't really want to stick. There we go. I have these stickers that I got from the dollar store, and I believe it was 2 sheets for $1. So I might do that like that. And let's just do something like that. And there's your simple plain Valentine card. You can add your writing, your Happy Valentine's Day, or your I love you for your partner. So hope you guys really enjoyed it, liked it, and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more videos on my uploads. And you guys have a good day. Thank you.